Hello backers, and basically welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we'll be doing beef Rogan Josh with a pillow rice. But before I get into this video, please do subscribe and like this video. It certainly does help with the algorithm. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so the ingredients you need is 3 diced tomatoes, 1 diced onion, and 1 kilogram of beef. And of course, for the pillow rice and the Rogan Josh, I'll be using yet again my spicy blends. And I'll try and put a link in the descriptions of their website in case you want to order from them or anything. Okay, so I've mixed the Rogan Josh blend, put the Rogan Josh blend in, and I'll just stir it in. Okay. So I'm going to leave it to simmer for about 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to add in now all of the chopped onions, and also diced up beef. Okay, I'm gonna give that a stir in. Okay, so I'm gonna let that cook ever so gently for about an hour and 20 minutes. So you need to leave it covered, and do not forget to stir it every now and then. Okay, while there's 20 minutes left of cooking for the Rogan Josh, I'm going to make a start on the pillow rice. This is more straightforward. Just pour the pouch once more into a wok, which has got 1 tablespoon of olive oil in, and just mix and coat all the rice like so. Okay. Yeah, and add 500 millimeters of tap water, cold tap water, and mix and stir one more time only. Okay, and just leave it for the next half an hour to cook gently. Before we go further with the curry, I'm going to show you how the pilau rice is doing. Okay, so right now on with the curry. Okay, for the last 10 minutes I'm going to add the diced up tomatoes. Okay. Right. So. Right, for the last 10 minutes I'm giving it a stir. Okay. Right. Also I'm now cooking for the last 10 minutes without the lid. Okay. Okay, so the cooking time is up, so it's ready. So right at the end, gonna cover with some coriander to taste, and also, if you like, you can add some seasoning as well. So there you have it. There is your Rogan Josh, your beef Rogan Josh with pilau rice. Okay, so that concludes my video for today. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also drop me a comment and a thumbs up as well, because that helps with the algorithm. And also, whether you're or not you're autistic and you're learning to cook and you want to learn to cook, then do remember, I have your back.